Have you noticed your LG TV getting slower every month? Apps take forever to load, the home screen feels laggy, or Netflix freezes for a few seconds before responding. A few simple changes can make your LG TV feel much faster. Let me show you the fixes that actually work. One of the biggest reasons LG TVs slow down is because apps stay open in the background. Even after you leave an app, it can continue using your TV's memory. To fix this, go to your home screen and press the back button once. You'll see the apps currently running in the background. Instead of closing them one by one, simply choose Close All. This instantly frees up memory and is often enough to make the TV feel noticeably faster. Next, take a look at the apps installed on your TV. Every extra app uses storage, and some can continue running background services or receive updates even if you rarely open them. Delete any apps you don't use anymore and keep only the ones you actually watch. More free storage usually means better overall performance. Another setting worth checking is LG's AI features. Options like AI brightness and AI sound continuously analyze what's happening on the screen, which adds extra work for the processor. If you don't rely on these features, go to Settings, General, AI Service and turn them off. Most people won't notice a difference in picture or sound quality, but many notice smoother performance. While you're in Settings, go to General System, Additional Settings and change power on screen to recent input. This prevents the TV from loading the home dashboard and extra recommendations every time it turns on, helping it start up faster. If your TV still feels sluggish, check for a software update. LG regularly releases updates that improve system stability, fix bugs, and optimize performance. Open Settings. Support. Software update. Install any available updates and enable auto update so your TV stays optimized automatically. After updating your TV, there's one more built-in tool that many LG owners don't know about. Go to Settings, All Settings, General, OLED Care, Device, Self-Care, Memory Optimizer, then select Start. This feature automatically frees up RAM, closes unnecessary background processes, and optimizes the system for smoother performance. LG recommends running Memory Optimizer from time to time to keep your TV performing at its best. Here's another trick many people miss. Pressing the power button on the remote doesn't completely shut the TV down. If Quick Start Plus is enabled, the TV stays partially awake, which means temporary system files aren't cleared. Go to Settings, General Devices, and disable Quick Start Plus. Then unplug the TV from the wall for about 30 seconds before plugging it back in. This performs a full reboot and clears temporary cache that can slow the system down. If you've tried everything and your LG TV is still slow, it's time for the final solution, a factory reset. Go to Settings, General System Reset to Initial Settings. Keep in mind that this removes your apps, accounts, and personal settings, so you'll need to set everything up again. But if software corruption or accumulated system data is causing the lag, a factory reset often restores the TV to like new performance. If one of these fixes worked for you, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart TV tips and troubleshooting guides.